All right, so California, this is Freedom Week Part 2, or the 5 or 6 days where we actually got to have ammo shipped from out of state. And this is what arrived today. And of course, this is a completely anonymous video.
You serious?
Let's start with what we did here. So I paid $3.25 for discreet packaging and almost $9 for insurance on this. So let's see if it's discreet packaging. I would say it's pretty discreet. Yeah, it's just got some numbers on it. That's my FedEx packing label. This little sticker on here, not quite sure what that means. I don't know if that's an identifying sticker to say that this is ammo. All right. Ooh, it's heavy. We're gonna weigh it in a second. I would say pretty good job on discreet. Now let's weigh it. We'll start at that. Let's see. We are at, wow, 35.7 pounds. Pretty good. Feels heavier than that. All right, guys, here we go. Let's open up the box and see if we do indeed have 32 boxes of ammunition. Yes, I know I need to sharpen this knife. This is my NRA knife, by the way. Was a free gift. Probably needed to come with free sharpening. Seeing if you're hearing me, NRA. Ooh, okay. All right. So far, so good. What we should have is 8 boxes of 50 rounds, a Gila 9mm 124 grain. All right, so let's start with, okay, here we go. There's a 1 and 2, 3, 4, there's 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we go. All right, 8 boxes of 124 9mm for the 9mm. We've got 10 boxes of Wolf 223. All right, there we go. Wolf 223 Remington. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nicely done. There we go. 5 boxes of number 4 buck. Number 4 buck, very, very hard to find around here. And here we go. 5 boxes of number 4 buck. Look at that. Very nice. Number 4 buck, hard to find. Next up, 4 boxes of 25 rounds, 12 gauge number 8 shot. These are our target loads. There we go. 25 rounds. There's our number 8 shot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. All right, next up, 4 boxes of 5 rounds each. Federal slugs, law enforcement slugs. Look at that. Okay. That's our law enforcement slugs. 20 rounds of 12 gauge slugs. And last but not least, carry ammo. Currently right now we've got the Barnes TAC XP. These are plus Ps, 115 grain. I'm actually moving up to a 124, and I decided to go with, since I carry a SIG, here we go, our SIG Sauer V-Crown Elite Defense, pack of 20. There we go. Oh yes, beautiful.
Holy shit.
Very nice. Cycle out the old Barnes here, carrying these for a little over a year. So it's time to cycle those out and get the Elite Defense going in there. Last but not least, inside, this is a Cool. Nice. Free target. Thank you very much for the free target from True Shot. And the shipped price was $365.27 for 790 rounds of ammunition. So there we go. That's what almost 800 rounds of ammo at 35.7 pounds looks like. Thank you to True Shot.